on Twin Toy Army? Oh my goodness, another year has passed and 2019 was so awesome. We had to defend ourselves against a huge Minecraft zombie invasion, figure out how to defeat Drift and the Reaper, as well as defending ourselves against Hello Neighbor and his twin with the help from Trinity and beyond. So let's stroll down memory lane of 2019's best Nerf wars. Pick from you guys the most awesome audience we could ever have, the Twin Toy Army. Guys, come on. Hello, neighbor. What are you doing?
Hey guys, where are your blasters?
Oh yeah, it's in our room. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Wait up!
Oh, easy. Okay, I got the key. Everything's fine. Here's the back over here. I gotta get it. But that's not the key.
He's coming.
What's this? Wait, he's coming? Dude, then I gotta hurry.
Hurry!
Where?
He's coming!
Is it?
Hurry, come on!
Stop. Okay, wait. Hurry. Shut the door. You're good. We got these here.
Go! He's coming in. Duck.
He's coming. Get down.
Wait a minute. How did he open the door?
Oh, yeah. I shut the door. Unless he's got the... Oh, no.
Okay, guys, are you ready for the surprise attack?
Ready?
Yeah. You ready?
Ready.
No. 1, 2, 3. You don't scare us. We have a mega on our side.
That old fool? So I guess he allowed the Reaper to take the Oracle.
You have no idea what you're doing, old friend.
Silence. I'm not the one lying to these so-called superheroes telling them they have hidden superpowers.
Hey, if the mega says we need 5 more crystals in order to get superpowers, I believe them.
Speaking of that, Whiteout told me what you did to him when I asked if he still had the red crystal.
Whiteout, just like Burnout. What kind of hacker is he?
The kind that'll kick your butts any day.
Enough! I knew this day would come, but I didn't expect it to be so soon.
And what day is that?
The apocalypse.
Oh, guys, there you are.
What?
Listen. They're everywhere. Dude, they're upstairs. They're over there. They're just everywhere. Okay, listen. I'll take care of these guys downstairs. You take care of this floor, okay?
Yeah.
But listen, whatever you do, don't touch them. They're gonna explode. Jeez. Get up, guys. Get up.
Hey man, are you ready? Hey man, we got this. It's just zombies. Except these are not infants, but Beckett, no!
Yeah, Lily, nice job. Okay, Liam, let's get it.
Oh man, I'm out. Liam, hook me up.
Camden, stop running! Shoot him!
It's raining zombies.
What do we do?
I'm here to help, boys. Stand by.
Guys, I need help! I ran out of ammo!
Don't worry, Mom. It will all be over soon. Guys, watch out for Beckett!
You gotta jump back. You ready?
Dude, if Drift toys the right order, we're gonna need some serious blasters.
Why are you still talking about it, instead of doing something about it?
You know what, Lumo? You're right. Let's suit up. Radiator, activate! Monster, activate!
Yeah, that's right. PBT. Reach, you know what he was coming. Okay, you do what you guys gotta do. I'm gonna go find something in the garage.
Only the PBT squad has the skills to take down the Reaper. I'm sorry, but you'll have to sit this one out.
Serious? This is baloney. No, you're not gonna rock it. No. You know what? I'm gonna create my own squad. Somebody call it the Super Awesome Squad. I'm gonna invite all the cool dads like this Extreme Toys Dad, and Kids Fun TV Dad, and Ninja Kids Dad. And you know what? I haven't seen that dad on Superhero Kids, but I'm sure he's there. I'm sure he's gonna love to join my stinking squad. You know what? Get out of here.
Any last words? How about PBT?
All the way!
I'll put an end to your sad story. I need help here. Time for a resupply.
Stand by.
go. Much better. It's all come to this. I grow stronger. I don't think so.
Dude! What up, Lee?
Pathetic.
What? Do you want some more? You got it.
Now this is more like it.
Come on, this is terrible. Don't worry, man. We just need something to bust the door open. Like a hammer or... You think Dad's go like that? We gotta do something. Like, what about the door we need to crack open? Dude, I wish we had a big rotating blaster that can just bust on this door.
Coming right up.
Yes. Are you kidding me? You can't be serious.
Put the book down now.
Not leaving empty-handed again.
Wait a minute. Guys, I forgot to tell you about this. The red bracelet. Do you remember a couple weeks ago whenever we had that battle, that Nerf battle, in the garage when you built the Nerf arsenal wall? I noticed my bracelet was glowing, and I thought it was Omega helping me out. But then out of nowhere, I started getting really sleepy. And then the last thing I remember, this like big target was going straight at my head. And all the rest of it was a blur. And then I remember waking up in my bed, all I saw was M&Ms everywhere.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. We were just trying to wake you up.
Oh, no, dude, it's okay. Don't worry about it. I was just wondering how they all got there. I had a couple afterwards. You know, like the red ones.
That was done from one of many magical powers the Reaper has. Ever since he joined the Red Order, he is growing stronger, learning new spells every day.
Yes, that is why I had to leave. I could sense his powers were growing by the minute.
I still don't trust you, Lumo.
Oracle, relax. I mean, let's think about it. We can learn a lot about the Red Order from Lumo. I mean, seriously, Oracle, everybody deserves a second chance. There's so many people out there that did so many wrong things, and then they came back and everything was better. What's wrong, Lumo? Why are you so... Oh, guys.
Please protect me. I don't want to go back to that place.
Don't worry, Limo. We got you. PPT activate.
What's wrong with mine? Is it bro... Yeah!
PPT all the way.
Let's smoke this turkey. hear anything, guys. Wait, hold on. Let me try this. Hold on.
He's not doing anything. Guess he's not in the backyard.
Yeah, I know. Everybody knows the rest of that jingle. It's supposed to go dun 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 dun. Dude! He's in the backyard!
Relax, Pops. We're safe in here. Dude, don't you remember anything from last time? Keypads, no match for Drift.
Guys, what are you standing around for? Let him have it!
Not again.
Hey, where do you think you're going? We're not taking after this guy by ourselves. Come on. Come on. Shut the door. You should forget, shut the door. Oh my gosh. Okay, you took care of the door, right?
Yeah.
It's locked.
Yep, it's locked.
Okay. Well, I only got 4 left. How much you? Okay, you got a lot on you, and you got a lot on you. But this is nothing compared to Drift. What are we supposed to do?
Come on, Dad. It's easy. Whenever you get in trouble, who do they call?
Ghostbusters?
No.
Okay, how about the A-Team?
Who's the A-Team?
You serious? You don't know who the A-Team is? I bet you don't know who Knight Rider is.
Knight Rider. Is that skin in Fortnite?
Fortnite skin? Oh my gosh, kiddo. Okay. All right, who are we supposed to call whenever we're in trouble? Who are we supposed to call?
Omega. Mega, we need you.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Do you already bake it something like chocolate chip cookies?
I'm making my famous Omega Ultimate Cream Pies.
That sounds like so good.
It definitely is. So, what's going on?
Oh yeah, I forgot. We have a big problem. Drift is outside in the garage. We locked the door. We don't know what to do.
Didn't the Oracle already tell you that his pickaxe is where he draws his powers? Find a way to disconnect him from his pickaxe, and he becomes nothing more than a silly man wearing a cat mask.
We need a bunny mask.
No,
Hey,
I'm pretty sure I
can you
made
hear
that
him?
mask.
I can't hear
And
nothing.
it's a cat mask.
Dude, you made that mask?
Drift stole it from the original owner. The one you know as Chucky.
Whoa! Are you telling me that you made a mask for Chucky?
Wait. Omega made a mask for Chucky? Oh wait, that makes sense. Well, not the fact that he made the mask for Chucky, because that connection makes no sense. But Chucky said that he's got a new identity, a new look. And it was supposed to be Drift's mask?
Yepers.
Wait, guys, hold on. You notice something? This whole entire time we're talking to Omega, Drift does not come through that door. He can come through all doors, right? I wonder what he's doing.
Hey guys, Drift is looking right at me.
Open, no, it's locked. Open. What? The world? What in the world? Guys, this isn't good. The book's out there, the Oracle.
Yeah.
Who forgot? Did you leave it there?
No.
Did you leave it there? Oh wait, that's right. I left it there. That was my fault. But what? How? Wait.
You.
I know. It's my fault. Wait a minute. Where's Cam? Can we just sneak around like he did last time?
I don't think Cam's gonna be here this time.
Why not? What's he doing?
He's playing with his new birthday game.
Oh yeah, that's right. He got it from Nana. Wait a minute. Now what are we supposed to do?
Don't worry, guys. Things are working out perfectly.
What are you talking about? Things are not perfect.
Hey, what did I say the very first time you talked to me? You gotta have faith.
Okay, then what's the plan?
Okay, now here's what I need you to do. First, this is very important. You're gonna take the box over here.
Nice try, Drifty, but you will never wield the spells that are hidden in this Augustus book.
Yeah, I know, why'd you do that? That was my Fortnite box!
Nice work, Eli.
Thanks again, Twin Toy Army, for another great year, and we're looking forward to see what happens in 2020.
Wasn't that video awesome? If you want to see more videos like this, click the Twin Toys icon below. There's so many more Nerf videos to see. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video again. Thanks for watching, and always remember, PBT all the way.